Do you need to be a millionaire to have financial freedom? In a world where money seems to rule everything, many of us dream of achieving financial freedom. Financial freedom is the stage where you no longer have to work for a paycheck. You can achieve this by budgeting, saving, and making money through various avenues: online jobs, starting an online business, creating multiple income streams, personal development through gaining new knowledge and skills. It all starts with taking that first step, even if it means starting with a low-paid job. Investing in yourself is crucial to gaining the education, skills, and experience needed for a better-paying job or business opportunity. Save and invest as much as possible by budgeting and living below your means. Cut unnecessary expenses and only purchase what you truly need. It may seem difficult at first, but financial success takes time and patience. Remember, this period of difficulty is temporary and will change once you achieve financial freedom. You can still do nice things in life, even if it's just once a week or month. Financial freedom is not about depriving yourself, but making smart choices. It's important to remember that financial freedom is not solely determined by having $1 million net worth. Financial freedom can mean different things to different people and is often about achieving personal financial goals, living within one's means, having a healthy relationship with money, and having the ability to make choices that align with one's values and priorities. Ultimately, financial freedom is about feeling secure and empowered in your financial decisions, regardless of your income or net worth. It's about being intentional with your money, setting goals, and taking steps to improve your financial well-being. So take that first step, invest in yourself, and watch as your financial freedom grows. You don't need to be a millionaire, all you need is determination and a plan. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Please subscribe if you like this video.